Hello, dear future homeowners. Celine here, trusted real estate broker. Today, I'm so excited to share with you the construction updates of the Abigail units here in Madonna Residences, Sindalan, San Fernando, Pampanga. Out of the 8 Abigail units, 4 have already been turned over to our happy homeowners, while 2 are now just awaiting their final inspection. Kaya dito sa video na to, I'll be showing you the progress of the 2 remaining clients, one from Arayat and one from the USA. Alam niyo ba, sikat talaga ang Abigail model kasi ang pinakaunang client namin dito is none other than the vlogger you know so well, Life with Arkia. Since then, marami na talagang na-attract sa design ng Abigail because of the full view window in the master bedroom and the open concept layout na very spacious and modern. Another reason why clients love Madonna is its prime location. Malapit talaga siya sa lahat, schools, hospitals, and malls. At ang pinaka-bonus, hindi ka talaga magugutom dito kasi paglabas pa lang ng gate, may mabibilhan ka na agad ng food. By the way, kokonti na lang din ang ating mga units dito sa Madonna. So if I were you, tara po, mag-tripping na po tayo at makapag-reserve na ng inyong dream home. Message us so we can assist you better. Thank you and have a nice city day, dear future homeowners!